Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is the month of November, which means it's a new month, which means it's a new Boxychrm month. So, I have not even broken the seal on this. I'm going to pop it open right now, and we will find out together what November's Boxychrm is. I'm just like ripping the box. Okay, opening it up. First things first, we have our card, and this says the month is Gold Digger. And it's got all our products listed as usual. So let's just go ahead and find out what we have. First, we have some lashes. It says Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. I love this packaging. Oh, and they're beautiful. It says Ready, Set, Get Addicted. And if you can see, there's like glitter in the background and glitter on the sides of the box. They're so pretty. So pretty. Can't wait to bust these out. And those are $14.99. Next, we have some brushes from Luxie. This is the Luminous Eye Set. It is a 4-pack, and these retail for $21. Says these are limited edition. A limited edition Boxychrm collaboration, and it features 4 synthetic eye brushes, exclusively wrapped for Boxychrm. So like the gold sparkle is supposed to be the big thing about these. Oh, it is very pretty. Here's the gold wrap. You can see the shine. Let's see. This is the mini round, the mini flat angled, mini tapered, and they are very soft. And then mini angled. So we have the flat and then the just plain angled are the two differences in those two. Can't wait to use those. I always need some good eyeshadow brushes. Next, we have the Cover FX Glitter Drops. Let's see. And these are in the color Nova. Ooh. So I guess the month, it should have been gold, but it said Gold Digger, but everything's gold. Got the little dropper. Can see that flash there. This goes for $44, and it says these ultra concentrated drops of multidimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. So you can do a lot of stuff with it. I'm just going to rub it in my skin. Oh, that would be nice. I'm just going to rub it in my skin. It gives a really nice shine. This will be really nice over a tan in the summer. It's got a lot of glitter. It's not really picking up for you on camera, but in real life, it is just like I went to Claire's and dipped myself in some body glitter like I used to when I was in middle school. Very pretty. Next up, from Gentle Bleu, we have a glittering star eyeliner that goes for $5. And you get this open. The name of this video should be Brandy struggling to open packages for 5 minutes straight. Alright, so I've got some glitter here. Let me go on this hand where there's not that sparkle. Very, very nice. Does smudge, so I have to be careful there. It's not like the roller eyeliner we got, but very pretty. So I have to be very careful with that. Maybe good for smudging under the eye, smudging out the lower lash line. Alright, last but not least, we have from Ace Beauty. This is the Grandiose palette. I love this packaging. I love all the gold. I saw this on the preview that they sent me, and OMG. How gorgeous are those colors? I mean, let's just swatch some. I've got a bandaged finger, so don't mess with that. But look at that. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I missed one. Okay. So this is Primrose, Rose, I'm going backwards. Primrose, Poppy, Rose, and then this one, it's not showing up, but it's showing good on in like person, is Patchouli. So let me do the others. So this one's not very pigmented. That would be Jasmine, which is a very light shade. So it'd be more like a inner corner highlight kind of thing. This is Clove, Myrtle, and Cinnamon. So the rest of these are like very pigmented. There's like two that are not. You can see this one showing up good now. It's just the way the light is and how light it is and how much it matches my skin. So very pigmented, seem to have good payoff. I'm excited to try these on my eyes. And that was $24.99. So let me do my calculations. We had 44, $24.99, 21, 5, and $14.99. So a total of, oh, you can't see because my phone is cracked. My husband sat on my phone today. $109.98 for retail value for all the goodies that we got in our Gold Digger Boxycharm box. $21 a month. How awesome is that? So I'm so excited about this palette. I've been waiting on this since I saw the post on Instagram and got my email. These, I don't wear a lot of lashes, but these are so pretty. I cannot wait to try them. They just, I've been wanting to amp up my game a little bit for the holidays, holiday parties. I've got some Christmas parties coming up, so that would be a good way to do that. The only thing I'm questioning about is this eyeliner pencil. It did smudge really easily. So I'm going to have to be very careful with this, learn how I don't really touch my eyes during the day when I have eye makeup on anyways, and I don't sweat really a lot, so it might stay on. I'm thinking more like down here and then smudging it out would be my best bet with this. But it's Glittering Star eyeliner. It says long lasting intense black color. We'll see. And then of course the brushes. I'm always down for some new eye brushes. These are soft, so. Alright, that is this month's Boxycharm box. I'm just sitting in my floor, that's why it looks crazy, and you're only getting ahead. I'm trying to not wake up my children, but I wanted to go ahead and film this and find out all the goodies that were in my box. So, remember, if you don't have anything nice to say, shut your glad mouth. Bye, y'all.